Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today, we have something exciting to share with you all. 300 vegan/plant-based recipe cookbook. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, a curious flexitarian, or simply looking to add more plant-based options to your diet, this cookbook claims to be a culinary masterpiece that can transform your kitchen into a hub of delectable vegan creations. In this video, we're going to explore the many reasons why this cookbook should be an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's dive right in. The 300 vegan/plant-based recipe cookbook is said to be a treasure trove of delectable dishes that will satisfy even the most discerning palates. With a hopping 300 recipes, it offers a diverse range of flavors, ingredients, and culinary styles to suit every taste preference. Starting with breakfast, you'll find options like avocado toast variations, vegan pancakes, and energizing smoothie bowls to kickstart your day with a smile. Just take a look at these beautiful breakfast ideas. But what really piqued our interest is the decision to adopt a vegan or plant-based lifestyle and the compelling reasons behind it. People often make the switch for various health and ethical benefits. Plant-based diets are associated with lower risks of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, they are typically lower in saturated fats and cholesterol. It's not just about health, it's about ethics too. Choosing plant-based options aligns with values of compassion and ethical treatment of animals. It's a step towards making the world a better place for all living creatures. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why this specific cookbook? First, diversity and variety. With 300 recipes, this cookbook ensures you'll never run out of delicious vegan meal ideas. We've been flipping through the pages, and there's a recipe for everyone. Next, it's user-friendly. The recipes are well organized and easy to follow, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. This is essential for a seamless cooking experience. Nutritionally balanced, a key factor. Each recipe is thoughtfully crafted to provide essential nutrients, ensuring a well-rounded plant-based diet. And guess what? All these recipes have been tried and tested to guarantee delicious results every time. And that's not all. Many editions of the 300 vegan/plant-based recipe cookbook come with bonus content such as shopping lists, meal plans, and helpful tips for an even smoother cooking experience. In conclusion, the 300 vegan/plant-based recipe cookbook isn't just a cookbook. It's a culinary masterpiece that empowers you to embark on a journey of delicious, nutritious, and environmentally friendly eating. By choosing plant-based options, you can embrace a healthier lifestyle, support ethical treatment of animals, and reduce your carbon footprint, all while savoring the rich flavors and diverse cuisines this cookbook has to offer. So, is it worth adding to your kitchen arsenal? Well, that depends on your culinary goals and values. If you're looking to explore the world of vegan and plant-based cooking, this cookbook might just be your perfect companion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, it's not just about what's on your plate, it's about what's in your heart.